Hey guys, it's Anna, and in the last video I showed you how to use the Pythagorean Theorem to find the side length of the hypotenuse. But what if you already know the length of the hypotenuse and you're actually trying to find the length of a different side, and you still want to use the Pythagorean Theorem? In fact, the Pythagorean Theorem is the way to go if you need to find a different side length, whether it's the hypotenuse or a different side length here. So we know the Pythagorean Theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And c is always going to be the hypotenuse. So we have out here c. Now a and b is going to be either of these side lengths, and it doesn't matter which side is a, which side is b. So we're just going to label this one a and this one b. So b is the one we're looking for here. So let's get to work plugging it into the Pythagorean Theorem and solving for that missing side. So the first step is going to be to plug in what we know. So we know a is 3, so we're going to write 3 squared plus, we don't know b, so we're going to have b squared, and it equals c squared. So c is 5, so we're going to have 5 squared. So simple enough, we just plugged it straight in. Super quick and easy. You just have to memorize a squared plus b squared equals c squared, right? So now we're going to find 3 squared. That's going to be 9, plus we still have our b squared, and it all equals 5 squared, which is 25. 5 times 5 is 25, right? Okay. So now how are we going to solve for b? So our goal is to get b by itself. What's happening to b now? Well, right now b is being squared and it's being added to 9. So we're going to do the opposite of adding the 9. We're going to subtract the 9 over. So minus 9 minus 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. So b squared equals 25 minus 9. 25 minus 9 is 16. Now what's happening to b? We still don't have regular b because we know the side length is regular b, it's not b squared. So we got to do the opposite of b squared, which is taking the square root of b. So if we have b squared equals 16, we're going to take the square root of b squared and the square root of 16. The square root of b squared, square root and squared cancel out. So we get regular b equals the square root of 16, which is 4. So we get b is actually 4. All right, so as you can see, the Pythagorean Theorem works whether you're trying to find the length of the hypotenuse or any other side length. All you have to do is memorize a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Plug it in. It doesn't matter which of your side lengths is a or b. You just have to remember the hypotenuse is always c. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this is helpful. Can't wait to see you again soon.